Getting started with CloudRaptor begins with creating your account, and it only takes a minute. Let's walk through it step by step. First, go to the CloudRaptor signup page. Here, you'll see two ways to create your account, using email or your Google account. Let's start with email registration. Enter your full name, then your email address. Next, create a password. It must be at least 8 characters long. After that, accept the terms of service and privacy policy, then click Create Account. After registering, CloudRaptor will send a verification email to your inbox. Open the email and click the verification link to activate your account. You must complete this step before you can sign in. If you don't see the email, check your spam or junk folder. You can also click Resend Verification Email from the login page. Just note, there's a short cooldown between resend requests. Alternatively, you can sign up using your Google account. Click Continue with Google, select your account, and authorize access. Your account will be created instantly, no email verification required. Once your account is verified or created, it's ready to use. You can now sign in and access the CloudRaptor dashboard to start managing your servers and applications. And that's how you create your CloudRaptor account. Quick, simple, and ready to go.